you feel like you're working very hard but you're not getting anywhere? Many times, people will set themselves up for failure by setting general and unrealistic goals, such as I want to be the best at X. Isn't this what happens with New Year resolutions as well? I'm never going to smoke again, or I'm going to exercise every day. Most goals we set are vague and general and with no sense of direction. Only if a goal is achievable, realistic, or relevant will we be able to achieve it. Hi, and welcome to Mind Aids. Now, there is a specific method of setting goals which will help you to clarify your ideas, focus your efforts, use your time and resources productively, and increase your chances of achieving your goals. This method is called the SMART Goals method. Let us explore what SMART goals are and how you can use this method in designing more achievable goals. Now, SMART is an acronym that you can use to guide your goal setting. This criteria of SMART is commonly attributed to Peter Drucker's management by objectives concept. To make sure your goals are clear and reachable, each one should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Several scholars note that the criteria of SMART may need updating, so they have included other aspects, like for example, instead of SMART, they've made it SMARTer, which includes E and R, and E is for evaluation and R is for review. Now let's take a look at how we can use the SMART goal method to make your goals more achievable. A goal should be clear and specific. Otherwise, you may not be able to sufficiently focus your efforts or feel motivated enough to achieve the goal. Goals that are specific have a significantly higher chance of being accomplished. To make a goal specific, the 5 W questions should be taken into account. What do I want to accomplish? Where is this goal to be achieved? When do I want to achieve this goal? Who is involved in this goal? Why do I want to achieve this goal? For example, a general goal would be I want to study really well. And a specific goal, if you want a more specific goal, a specific goal would be by the end of this month, I want to start studying at home after school every day so that I can prepare well for my upcoming history exam. A SMART goal must have some criteria for measuring your progress. If there are no criteria, you will have no way to know if you're on track to achieving your goal or that if you've made any progress. It is important to have measurable goals so that you can track your progress and so that you can see if you're on the right track and you can stay motivated. Assessing this progress will help you to stay focused, meet your deadlines, and feel the excitement of getting closer to your goal. To make a goal measurable, ask yourself, how many or how much have I achieved? How do I know if I have reached my goal? What is the indicator of my progress? For example, building on the goal described above, by the end of this month, I want to be able to study at least half a chapter every day after school at home and at least 2 chapters on every weekend so that I can prepare well for the upcoming history exam. In this way, I will have finished the syllabus for the exam. A SMART goal must be achievable or attainable. This will help you to figure out the ways in which you can reach the goal and work towards it. Your goal also needs to be realistic or attainable in order for you to be successful. In other words, it should challenge your abilities, but it should still be possible to achieve. Ask yourself, do I have the resources and capabilities to achieve the goal? If not, what am I missing? Is the goal realistic and within my reach? Is the goal reachable given my time and resources? Have others done it successfully before? You must be careful when you set goals that someone else has power over. For example, I have to get the Best Student of the Year award is unrealistic because it depends on who else is being considered for the award. However, if you set a goal saying that I need to achieve the skills or the training that is required to be considered for this award, that seems like a more realistic goal. This step is about ensuring if your goal matters to you and if it is aligned with everyone else's needs and interests as well. We all may need support and assistance in achieving our goals, but we should still be able to retain our control over our goals. You should still be responsible for achieving your own goal. The goal you pick should also be pertinent to your chosen field, and it should also benefit you directly. A relevant goal can answer yes to these questions. Does this seem worthwhile? Is this the right time? Does this match other efforts or needs? Am I the right person to reach this goal? Is it applicable in the current socio-economic environment? A SMART goal has to be time-bound, in that it has to have a start date as well as a finish date. If a goal is not time-constrained, then you may not feel a sense of urgency and you may not feel that motivation to achieve this goal. Ask yourself, does my goal have a deadline? By when do I want to achieve my goal? What can I do today? For example, building on the goal above, from April 30th, I want to study a half chapter on every weekday at home after school and 2 chapters every weekend so that I can prepare well for the upcoming history exam. In this way, I will have finished the syllabus for the upcoming history exam on May 20th. The SMART goals method is an effective way to provide you clarity, focus, and motivation to achieve your goals. SMART goals are also easy to use by anyone, anywhere, without the need for any specialist tools or training. Now, there are different interpretations of SMART, and this can lead to a little bit of misunderstanding, and some authors also suggest that having SMART goals can reduce your creativity in setting goals. But overall, SMART goals can help you make your goals more achievable by making them specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. The SMART method also helps to push you further, gives you a sense of direction, and helps you organize and reach your goals. Many of you may have already known about this method, but for those of you who didn't know about this method, try it today and see the difference. If you have any queries, you could email us or drop a comment in the comment box below. For more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Mind Aids. Thank you and have a blessed day.